promised, thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me. Like I said, I did so many paintings right before we were to get on an airplane to go out of town. So I wasn't able to give you guys dry results on the waterfall pour from Nate's Art Lab and my farewell video to my 1,000 Below collab group. So I'm going to show those to you now. First of all, again, remember I said in this video that I was not real sure about this color palette. Y'all, it dried beautifully. Look, I haven't even varnished any of these yet, but look at that shimmer. Oh my goodness. It is just so pretty. I love it. Again, not your typical color palette for, I guess, a waterfall pour, but oh, I love it. I just love it. Look, the glare. Hang on, let me back up a little bit. The lines on this are just gorgeous. I cannot wait to see once it is varnished. So, but again, this is when you use, I'm trying to remember, I either just used Floetrol with this, or I may have done the Floetrol in the gloss gel. The way it's shining, I'm thinking that I probably did some gloss gel in there, but oh, is that not pretty? I love it. I hope you guys do too. All right, and now this one. My goodness. I didn't think I could love one more, but this was my version of the 1,000 Below cloud pour, and oh, the glare is so bad. I wish so bad cameras could really show up. They probably do if I knew exactly what I was doing. So I think it's operator error when things don't show up as good on camera as they do in person. But let me see if I can show you. Remember I put the brulee in? This little line right there. Oh, can you see that? That it's like it turns to a copper, and it just, there's several of them. I'm looking at right here, this line on the very outside of that gold. This slop bucket paint, that's why I had to do more. So like I said, I have a lot of it, and it is such a beautiful color. That's why I'm playing with it again with these leftover paints. But oh, it dried gorgeous. Look at these big boulder cells. Again, has not been varnished yet. So, but oh, that brulee, it's just yummy. But anyway, those are the dried results that I promised you, and thank you again for sticking around and waiting for them. So.